In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Perplexity AI to generate and refine summaries for your information needs. First, open up your web browser and navigate to perplexity.ai. Once you're there, make sure to log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one to fully take advantage of all the functions Perplexity AI has to offer. Once logged in, direct your attention to the search bar at the top of the page. This is where you'll enter your summarizing request. If you have a specific article link that you want to summarize, type "Summarize this article," followed by pasting the article link. Alternatively, if you have a block of text, you can simply copy and paste it into the search bar with the instruction to summarize it in, say, 3 bullet points. Next, you'll want to provide specific details that will guide the summary process. Start by specifying the desired summary length. Indicate whether you prefer a short, medium, or a detailed summary. This choice will significantly alter the depth and breadth of the information you receive, so choose the one that best suits your needs. Also decide on the format of the summary. Whether you prefer it in bullet points, a paragraph, or as key takeaways, make sure to specify this in your request. Focus points are crucial. Think about the main ideas you need, or whether there are certain statistics or action steps you'd like the summary to highlight. By directing Perplexity AI to focus on these, you ensure the generated summary is both relevant and useful. Once you've set up your request and hit Enter, Perplexity will process the information and generate a summary based on your instructions. Take a moment to review the summary it provides. Check if the length and details match your specifications. If it's not exactly what you were looking for, don't worry. You can use follow-up prompts to refine and improve the content. For instance, if the initial output seems too lengthy or unwieldy, you can ask Perplexity to make the summary more concise. Alternatively, if your interest lies specifically in financial data, instruct Perplexity to highlight only those aspects. Tailor your follow-up prompts to address any additional details or focal points you require. After reviewing and refining to your satisfaction, take the option to copy or save the summary for future reference. Whether you're using it for a report, presentation, or personal study, having your refined summary on hand can be incredibly time-saving. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to mastering summaries with Perplexity AI. By fine-tuning your requests and carefully reviewing outcomes, you can ensure the tool provides exactly what you need.